In today's lesson, we're going to look at parting the wild horse's mane. If you know Tai Chi walking, fabulous. If you are unfamiliar or you just need a little bit of refresher, go back and practice the Tai Chi walking video and then join me in this one. So, parting the wild horse's mane from Wu Chi. We're going to go into bow stance. So shift the weight, pivot the rear foot out or the side foot, shift, balance, step forward, ball of the foot, empty foot flat, maintain the shoulder width, knees unlocked, shift forward, 70 to 80% bow stance. Drop the weight down from the center of the shoulder through the hip, right into the center of the foot. Relax the lower back, draw the head up, fill the body with chi. Okay, so from bow stance, the right arm floats up and you feel the ball. The wrist is flat, the right hand or this right foot's forward, right arm's up. Left hand is down to the side, slightly to the front. The palms are open, you're gently stretching from the feet through the fingertips. Through the top of the head, let the base of the spine sink to open up the spine. So we go from bow stance to sitting step. Empty step, hold a big ball. Roll to the right, and you're going to bring the ball across the body and squeeze the ball. You're going to step up with the left, ball of the foot, heel foot flat. Make sure your shoulder width, toe points forward. And the weight's on the right, you're slightly turned to the right. As you shift to the left hand floats up, the right hand comes down. So, there's a number of ways to practice this. First, we're just going to face the same direction. In Wu Chi, and go ahead and shift to the right, pivot the left foot out, just like we're going to go into Tai Chi walking. Shift to the left, balance, step forward with the right, ball of the foot, empty foot flat, weights back, shift to the right, bow stance. Draw the head up, be careful from the hips. You're not rising and leaning, but draw the head up, let the weight sink, open up the hips. The right arm floats up, drop the shoulder and elbow. It's rounded. It's just rounded here and rounded here. The left hand presses down slightly to the side, slightly to the front. So from bow stance, sitting step, empty step, hold a big ball, roll to the right, hands come across the body, balance and step, ball of the foot, heel foot flat. Shift to the left, turn to the left, face the front, open up, left hand up, right hand down. From bow, sitting, empty, hold a big ball, drop the left shoulder, left palm turns out, roll to the left, hands across the body, balance and step with the right, heel foot flat, shift and turn to the right, right hand up, left hand down. From bow stance, sitting, drop the right shoulder, turn the palm out, left palm turns up, hold the big ball, roll to the right, arms across the body, squeeze the ball, balance and step, heel foot flat, shift, turn, adjust the rear foot if you need to, bow stance. From bow, sitting, empty, drop the left shoulder, elbow, roll, squeeze the ball, balance and step, heel foot flat, shifting to the right, turning, adjust the rear foot if you need to, bow stance. From bow, sitting, empty, big ball, roll, squeeze the ball, balance, stepping, heel foot flat, shifting, push from the right, drop the weight into the left, open up. Now, we'll go back the other direction. So from Wu Chi, We're going to shift to the right, pivot the left foot out, shift to the left and balance. Step forward with the right, empty foot flat. Shift to the right, bow stance. Right arm floats up, nice and rounded. Open up the shoulder joint, the elbow joint, the wrist. Feel the energy through the palm and fingertips. Left hand presses down gently. And breathe. Weights on the right, drop the weight down. Let the energy and the breath fill the body. From bow, sitting, empty. Roll to the right, arms cross the body, balance. Step with the left, shift, turn, adjust the rear foot if you need to, bow stance. From bow, sitting, empty. Hold the big ball, roll, balance, step, shift, turn, adjust the foot if you need to, drop the weight into the right, sit back, empty, roll, balance, step, push from the right, shift to the left, left hand up, sit back, turn to the left slightly, hold the ball, roll to the left and balance, step, heel foot flat, push from the left, drop the weight into the right, weights on the right, right hand up, sitting step, empty step, drop the right shoulder and elbow, roll to the right, balance, step with the left, push from the right, expand and open, weights on the left, and return to Wu Qi, calm and centered. So that's the Taiji walking with the arm movement parting the wild horse's mane. Another way to practice is just moving from sitting step to bow stance, from bow stance to sitting step. And then you can just practice the opening up and the closing. So you're expanding and you're sinking and drawing in. The head pulls up, the weight sinks. Be careful you don't push this left knee out. You do want to feel rounded here, like you're sitting on a ball, but the knees typically point toward the toes if that's how your skeletal structure is aligned. And when you shift to the right, you open, right hand up, shift to the left, you close, and the left hand's up, and you want to drop that left shoulder and elbow as if there's strings coming from the fingers to suspend the arm from above. So you just drop that shoulder and elbow. Shift to the right, open, sit back, and then we do the other side. So Wu Qi, shift to the left, pivot the foot out, balance, maintain the shoulder width, heel foot flat, shift forward, adjust the foot if you need to, so your hips, waist, and shoulders face the front. Remember, head up, spine straight, left arm up, right hand down. So from bow stance, we shift to the right, drop the weight down, slight turn to the right, shift to the left, open up. Let the arms float and fill them with the energy and your breath. Put your intention there into the whole body. So the upper body's floating, lower body's sinking. Head pulls up, weight sinks down. Here you're light and floating. As you sit back, you have more of a sinking, gathering energy. Now in this position, you want to feel softer on the inside and firmer on the outside. Sit back, shift forward. Sit back, and you're coiled and sprung down, and then you release the spring, you open and float. Draw the head up, let the weight sink down, breathe. Good. Parting the wild horse's mane. Thank you so much, and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Please like and subscribe.